Oracle's popular recruiting platform, Taleo, is being phased out in favor of the Oracle HCM Suite, an all-in-one human capital management solution, which includes recruiting functions. That said, not everyone is ready to jump into the HCM Suite, and may want to consider migrating to other platforms. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one to pick? Well, this video is a good place to start. Hi, I'm Kyle, and today I'll be walking you through the top 5 Oracle Taleo competitors for recruiting software. For a deeper dive into the topic, be sure to check out the link in the description to our corresponding article, or you can click on the annotation in the top right corner of your screen for our free list of the top recruiting options available today. And if you find this video useful, it'll help a lot if you hit that like and subscription button down below. In an era wrought with burnout and employees quietly quitting, it is important to foster an inclusive environment that is mindful of employees' varying backgrounds. Businesses working to fight unconscious biases in the workplace will find Greenhouse's applicant involvement in the recruitment process and the employee referral modules especially rewarding. Greenhouse strives to eliminate implicit biases in the hiring process. This is immediately apparent in the ability it gives candidates before the interview to pre-record their name pronunciations and select their pronouns. Greenhouse helps employers capitalize on employee networks by incentivizing staff to promote new positions using pre-filled social media posts. Each post includes relevant details for the open role and a URL with specific parameters unique to the employee who shares it. HR teams can track these posts and accurately reward the employee for any new hire that comes from the employee's network. Unlike Oracle's on-prem Taleo, SAP SuccessFactors recruiting can be implemented as standalone software or as part of its larger HCM suite. For remote-friendly or global businesses, SAP SuccessFactors recruiting provides a multi-channel approach to sourcing talent. It provides hiring teams with access to 4,000 sources across more than 80 countries. SAP SuccessFactors recruiting can integrate with over 70 third-party systems, including social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Zing. Assessment providers such as People Answers, and e-signature platforms such as DocuSign. This wide variety of integrations is valuable for enterprises that need to bridge the gaps across multiple applications. SAP SuccessFactors recruiting also seamlessly integrates with SAP SuccessFactors' larger HCM suite, so candidates have a unified experience throughout the employee lifecycle. SAP's recruitment platform also works with SAP's integration suite for an additional fee, offering the ability to design, publish, and manage APIs if standard integrations do not meet the business's needs. Breezy HR focuses on a simple user interface that facilitates easy communication between candidates and recruiters. It also offers customizable automations that reduce repetitive tasks, which allows HR teams to spend more time on higher priorities. Breezy HR's interface promotes communication between candidates, recruiters, and the rest of the hiring team. From the main dashboard, recruiters can send an email or text message to a candidate, schedule an interview, and record notes on the candidate for the team to review. Interview scheduling is also intuitive with Breezy HR's team scheduling tool, where the hiring team can easily view everyone's schedules side by side. Candidates also have a say in their interview times with Breezy's HR self-scheduling tool. Breezy HR automatically distributes new job postings to mainstream online job boards when new positions are opened. Posting on the top job boards like Indeed, ZipRecruiter, and Glassdoor is included in Breezy's pricing, so businesses don't have to worry about paying an additional fee for that exposure. Breezy then collects the candidates for each position and adds them to the applicant tracking pipeline for review. Users can then view both original and parsed versions of applicant resumes and run reports to determine which job board provides them with the best candidates. Teamtailor is a relatively new ATS vendor that targets small to medium-sized businesses and is designed to grow with the business. Businesses that are hesitant to invest in Oracle's HCM Suite may be attracted to Teamtailor's recruiting tools. With Teamtailor, businesses do not need to spend excessive time designing and writing a career site from scratch. Instead, recruiting teams can build a career site quickly using drag-and-drop blocks with customizable content, including campaign pages to share on social media, blogs, and company branding. Teamtailor attempts to ease the burden of talent tracking with its customizable recruiting funnel. The simple interface allows recruiters to specify stages in the hiring process, such as screening or interviewing, and drag and drop candidates to different stages of the funnel. For users left unsatisfied with their move from Taleo to Oracle HCM Suite, Zoho Recruit may be the answer. With its breadth of features and analytics, Zoho Recruit is a great scalable solution for businesses with expectations that their talent needs will grow. For small to medium-sized businesses, Zoho Recruit offers multiple plans with features that will scale as the business's needs grow and change. Small businesses, therefore, will not have to pay for large-scale solutions like AI candidate matching when their talent needs are small. However, should businesses' needs expand, businesses can choose to move up a plan or even integrate with Zoho's broader HRIS platform that includes payroll, onboarding, time management, and more. Zoho Recruit's analytics features and Zoho's professional plan allow growing businesses to remain competitive and pinpoint areas in the recruitment process needing improvement. The software comes pre-built with over 75 reports and dashboards that offer custom data visualizations. Data points including time to fill, time to hire, age of job, and offer acceptance rate come standard. To summarize, here are some of the perks of each of these alternative systems. Greenhouse has intuitive bias eliminators during the recruitment and interviewing phases, streamlined communication among recruiters, hiring managers, and candidates, and an easy-to-implement employee referral program. SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting has global sourcing for talent in over 80 countries with 46 supported languages, integration with multiple third-party applications, onboarding, payroll, and other core HR functions available with their HCM Suite. Breezy HR features easy communication amongst candidates, recruiters, and hiring managers with native SMS and email functionality, flexible and convenient interview scheduling tools, including integrations with calendar apps, streamlined records of internal discussions on prospective new hires, and automated job listing distribution and pre-screening questionnaires to reduce repetitive tasks. Teamtailor has a career site builder optimized for quick implementation with user-friendly blocks, customizable recruiting funnel with drag-and-drop capabilities, and responsive customer service. And last but not least, Zoho Recruit's features include a breadth of features from customizable dashboards, automations, and its blueprint tool, and analytics tools to help with recruitment pain points on a macro level. That wraps up our video on the top Oracle Taleo competitors. If you found that helpful, you can help me with a like and subscription down below. Again, for a more in-depth look at things, check out the corresponding article at the link in the description, or if you'd rather see our free list of the top recruiting and ATS options available today, you can click the button on the left to get started.